Hey there, fellow code adventurers. Are you ready to embark on an epic journey into the realm of JavaScript? Welcome to Learn JavaScript in 30 days. In just 30 days, you'll go from a JavaScript newbie to a coding wizard. Let's dive into the action-packed plan. Week 1, get cozy with the basics, variables, data types, and those quirky operators that make your code dance. Week 2, say hello to functions and objects. Unleash the power of functions and conquer arrays and objects like a true JavaScript ninja. Week 3, ready to make your web pages come alive? Dive into DOM manipulation and events. Learn to make elements dance to your tune and respond to your commands. Week 4, time to master the art of asynchronous coding. Say goodbye to waiting around, learn how to fetch data from the web like a pro and explore cool ES6 features that'll level up your skills. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to up your game, join us in this thrilling JavaScript adventure. Don't miss out on the fun and sarcasm along the way. Get ready to code, laugh, and conquer, all in just 30 days. Let's do this.